All right, Bitcoin broke down out of this sideways range, and my shorts are juicing right now. So basically, I want to go over my levels, go over what I'm seeing on Market Cipher, and yeah, maybe make some trading plans. So if you've been watching my last few videos, you know that I have been more bearish over the past few weeks, especially given the higher time frame Market Cipher, the money flow bleeding out on essentially all of these higher time frames. As price was continuing to make higher highs, we were diverging from the money flow, and this to me shows weakness, along with the regular divergences we're seeing with momentum. And all in all, I was leaning more towards the side of we're gonna get a retracement here soon, and well, we may be getting that now. We broke down out of this little sideways range here and fell right down to the golden pocket where we right now are finding some support. Now, I talked about this low in either my last video or one of my last videos, but this low was important because it is technically a swing low. Because we put in this higher high afterwards. This is like the last swing low before the last swing high, even though this wasn't SFP, it wasn't really like a confirmed high, but still I thought that low would be pretty important. And in terms of like more local market structure, now maybe you can say we've broken this bullish market structure. But I don't really like it too much, especially with the SFP of the high. But what I am more interested in is this higher time frame market structure, because I think this is what's really important right now. If we break this market structure, I think it is a lot more likely that we see a much harsher retracement. In one of my last videos, I even called this low the doorway to 19K, because I think there's a decent chance that if we do begin a macro downtrend, if we break this bullish structure and continue seeing these bearish signs on Market Cipher, there's a great chance that we can revisit the lows of this range somewhere around 18.5 to 19K. And so I am watching this low very carefully at about 21,400. And yeah, basically until we break that, I mean, we still have the potential to continue an uptrend here, right? This drop right here might turn into a higher low. Even if we come all the way down to here and then get a move back up, we can still continue this bullish market structure. It's not impossible. But when it comes to what I'm seeing on Market Cipher, not much has really changed. So on the daily, this money flow is curling over. We did get that confirmed divergence with momentum and money flow there. As price made that last higher high, money flow and momentum made lower highs, which is a pretty macro top signal most of the time, especially on the daily and especially on the 12-hour. We saw the same thing, and this 12-hour money flow is just getting more bearish by the day. We're about to cross into the red, and that would be the first time the 12-hour money flow has crossed into the red since December, since literally December 31st. So it'll be the first time the 12-hour money flow is in the red this year. So that's pretty interesting. The 8-hour money flow is looking bearish as well. We're making lower lows, both locally and regionally. This little wave that we got when we got that last high looks super bearish to me. So yeah, I've been calling this for a few weeks at this point. I've been saying we're probably going to be seeing some more top signals if we continue putting in higher highs, and that is exactly what we saw. And yeah, I mean the 6-hour, pretty much same thing. It's still in the green. It crossed back up here, but this is looking very weak. It kind of looks like wiggly tires, like CryptoFace said. This money flow looks like wiggly tires. Yeah, interesting. And 4-hour as well, just crossed into the red there. This little turn to the downside looks super bearish. The fact that we tried to kind of get another wave going here, another wave of money flow, but it didn't really turn out to be all that much. You can even say we got a little head and shoulders there. So, if you ask me, I personally think that more downside is the more likely scenario. Maybe we continue with this choppy action. Maybe we end up coming back up into this range and then going in and putting a lower low. Maybe we put in a really deep lower high here. Really fake out people that shorted in this area, stop out all the shorts that were up in this region, get people to foam along, and then just continue on with the retracement. I think that's a possibility. Basically the way I'm looking at it is it doesn't really matter if we keep getting back up into that range, so long as this high time frame money flow is looking like this. I think that in order for like an actual reversal, we would need to see this money flow spend some time in the red, given how much time it's spent in the green. I think the money flow has to come down and spend some time, and then maybe once we start seeing it curve to the upside, then maybe we can start looking at, okay, maybe this retracement is done. Maybe we can just range from here. Maybe we'll continue higher. Who knows? Basically think that this money flow has to spend some time in the red before we can see another impulse to the upside. Now, locally, we are finding support at this golden pocket and at this little area of consolidation. This, I believe, is the level I talked about in one of my videos. It's a level I was watching, I know. And I wasn't actually at my computer today to trade this, but I probably would have taken along on that last little SFP we got. That gave us a nice move. You can see we saw divergences there on 24 minute as we put in that last low. So if I was here at the computer, I probably would have taken that. Yeah, right now, I'm not really seeing anything that makes me, overly bullish here. We are getting a really deep 1 hour wave. The 1 hour is very oversold. And money flow, you could say, is in a very local uptrend. I don't know how much weight I'd give that. 24 minute, though, money flow is in a local downtrend. But this 12 minute actually does not look bad. You can see some curvature here with this money flow. It's not the best drawing. I'm trying to do it with my left hand, but you get the point. We're kind of in a local uptrend on the 12 minute. So maybe we see a little retracement to the upside, maybe up to VWAP. Maybe we come up to retest key support now as resistance. So like somewhere around the lows of this previous range, like that. Maybe we could, look for this area as resistance if we keep pushing up. But, if we sort of break above this level, I would probably be looking to close out my shorts. At that point, we're probably going to be hunting shorts, maybe hunting shorts before, we send it down again. That wouldn't surprise me because, I feel like this is just too easy. There's too many shorts up here that are sitting pretty in their positions, not stressing about it. There's shorts up here. Shorts up here. I know because I shorted this. So, yeah, I would not be surprised if we kind of see a short hunt if we can get back above this previous support. Then, maybe we come up to the golden pocket 786 area, stop out shorts, and then continue on with the retracement. And I did take profits from my short down at this golden pocket, but I am still holding them. I'm holding both my Bitcoin shorts still from here and from that top, and I am still holding that Chainlink short as well. But I am looking for some long trades because I don't want to be over positioned short right now. I think there's still a good chance that we can get some good moves to the upside. So, right now I'm watching this NDPOC right below this golden pocket. We still haven't tapped that yet, so, that interests me. I also like this 786, which is right on top of this consolidation area right over here. It's kind of at the, highs of that little range. And that 786, it's also important because it is the fib pull from, this move to this move. And, for strength here, if we're really going to be putting in a higher low here, and then, just continue on with this uptrend, go on to put in higher highs, then I would like to see a bounce between the golden pocket and the 786, and, the 786 being at previous resistance here inside this range. And actually, we could say, if we put a horizontal line here, this is a pretty key support resistance area. We found support over here, resistance right here. So this 22,300-ish level is interesting as well. And then after that, we could CDW some of these wicks, maybe this wick, but that is cutting it real close. Because at that point, maybe I would expect either an SFP of this wick and, fake everybody out and then come back up to hunt these highs, or we're, going to lose this level, in which case, we're probably going to expect further downside. But yeah, in terms of more macro, that's what I'm looking at right now. If we begin consolidating right here, begin forming some sort of little range, then I'll be looking to scalp that. I am looking for longs right now because, I'm already holding a bunch of shorts. All right, well, I think that is just about everything I wanted to talk about today. Thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Really appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next one.